Ahom King Sukaphaa, also known as Chaolung Sukaphaa, was the founder of the Ahom Kingdom in present-day Assam, India. He was born in 1218 AD in Maung Mao, present-day Yunnan, China. Here's a brief overview of his life and achievements. Early life. Sukaphaa was born as a prince in the Shan Kingdom of Maung Mao. Due to political turmoil and conflicts, he fled his homeland and embarked on a journey to establish a new kingdom in the Brahmaputra Valley. Foundation of the Ahom Kingdom. Sukaphaa arrived in the Brahmaputra Valley around 1228 AD. He established his kingdom by forging alliances with local communities and tribes, and he laid the foundation of what would later become the Ahom Kingdom. He established the capital at Swargadeo, which remained a sacred center for the Ahom rulers. Contributions and achievements. Social integration. Sukaphaa's reign was marked by his efforts to integrate various ethnic groups and tribes into the Ahom society. He established a centralized administration and encouraged intermarriage between Ahom nobles and local tribes, fostering a sense of unity. Administrative reforms. He introduced several administrative reforms, including the division of his kingdom into administrative units called sads, or districts. He also established a hereditary monarchy system. Cultural patronage. Sukaphaa was a patron of culture and literature. He promoted the Ahom script and language, and under his rule, the Ahom people developed their distinct cultural identity. Military campaigns. He successfully defended his kingdom from various external threats, including attacks from neighboring kingdoms. His military strategies and leadership played a crucial role in ensuring the stability of his fledgling kingdom. Legacy. Sukaphaa's legacy is deeply ingrained in the history of Assam. He laid the foundation for the Ahom Kingdom, which lasted for nearly 6 centuries. His contributions to the region's culture, administration, and society have left a lasting impact on the people of Assam.